Hello, welcome to City Style Shop. Can I help you today?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a t-shirt.
Sure. Do you want a plain t-shirt or one with a design?
I think I want a plain t-shirt.
All right, what color do you like?
I like blue or white.
We have these t-shirts here. This one has a cool design and it's blue.
Oh, I like this one. What sizes do you have?
We have small, medium, and large. What size are you?
I usually wear medium. Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting rooms are at the back on the left.
Thank you. I'll be back in a minute. It fits really well. I like it.
That's great. It looks good on you.
How much is it?
It's $15. We also have a special offer. Buy two and get 10% off.
Oh, really? That's a good deal. Can I see another one in white?
Yes. Here's a white one with a simple design.
Nice. I'll take both.
Perfect. Will that be all?
Yes, that's all for today.
Great. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
Here is your receipt and your bag. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you. I'll come again.
Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other English learners. For more English conversation practice, watch this video. See you in the next video, and keep practicing your English.